Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faisal Khwaja, roll number F16 SW165, and my group members are the Osama Patan F16 SW47 and the Sarmat F16 SW87. Our final year project is document verification system using blockchain technology. Before moving forward to the presentation, let me give you an idea about the project. Basically, it is the verification system of the document using the electronically saved record systems. Blockchain is a system which is almost impossible to forge or change to save both records and the time to verify the document for the students. Project background. While educational institutes keep records for example verification and authentication, they are regularly approached to impart these records for the admissions to the new institute and so on, to get rid of standing in queue and to save the time of a student and administration. We have developed this project. It requires the verification from the institute digitally as hash key for the blockchain will be used for the process. Keeping student information secured, we have used private network Hyperledger, gives a powerful and scalable and a private solution for verification. Our project is on web interface to enroll and demand an archive for the verification. With the recent methods using blockchain, these traditional methods have begun to use strategies of the blockchain and to execute the verification and authentication. Such solution gives steady academic records of the student that help outsider validation without noteworthy exchange cost and the related expenses. Solution. Public blockchain like Bitcoin have a non-scalability issues with low limit of the transaction that can set you up on schedule and a high cost per transaction. Different solutions are intended to scale the development of blockchain. These limitations motivate us to develop the blockchain-based system. For example, the Hyperledger, permission blockchain-based system that works on private, separated systems where users are identified and hence trusted due to the identifiability. The Hyperledger is a blockchain network framework for the private and the permission systems, utilizing smart contracts and the keeping the record unaltered. This allows the institute to maintain the privacy for the academic records of the students, document exchanges, and to get control to refrain from the information accessible and only as per specific needs. Tools and the technologies, languages that we use in our projects. At the backend, we use the Golang, Node.js, Docker for the Hyperledger, and at the front end, we use the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and the jQuery. System workflow. Workflow is a simple yet complicated system architecture represents of how process work. It uses data access object level approach. Now let's see how the project works. we would like to say thanks to our supervisor Dr. Asma Farah for encouraging and guiding us throughout the project. Thank you so much, ma'am.